Hi guys, good morning. It's a morning. Nikuja haraka haraka town because I have a package that I want to unbox. Imefika tu sahi, so they are from Tanzania and people are waiting for this package. Yeah? So normally it takes either 1 or 2 days for items to get to us, yeah, tukishamaliza kufanya order. Yeah. So make sure umejoin our Tanzania Preorder group so that you are able to enjoy all this. Yeah, so nataka kufungua hii mzigo ndo tuone nini tumeleta. Yeah, cause after that I need to sort. We have like almost 50 bags here guys that I want us to unbox so that we are able to start sorting them out. We send them out to the right people because unapata most people are resellers, so they have people who are waiting for these bags. Yeah, so guys, let's unbox. So guys, this is the package over here. That is what I want to unbox with you. So let us unbox together. I hope mnaniona poa cause penye nimeweka leo today I don't have someone to shoot me. Yeah, I hope the noise from outside haiwafikii huko. Well, it's super noisy. Yeah, so that's the box. It's huge, imefika chini. Yeah, ooh, I'll have to turn it so that it doesn't spill over. So guys, we have this type. This is a new type. If you saw the ones we brought last time, I also have those type. My goodness, where do I open? Because I want to do this unboxing faster. Look at that. So this one was coming in different colors. It was coming in different colors. Yeah, it was coming in different colors. I can see they have mixed this item, so whatever I see I show you. Yeah, so this was a backpack. Hey. Yeah, it looks like that. Yeah, this was a backpack. And then we have a handbag. I don't even remember this type. Oh wow, I love the quality of this one. Ah la la, wow. Yeah, so it looks like that, as you can see. Wow, the material for this one, and it's a 2-in-1, comes with that. Oh wow, the quality of this one, wow, I'm shocked. Look at that. Wow, this one is so nice. I love the quality of these ones. Yeah, so this one, it comes in another color over here. It's so noisy over. It's so noisy today. So we have that color. Yeah, and then we have another backpack. This one we got it on only black. Yeah, looks like that. This one was quite cheap over there. Now I understand because the quality. The quality is something else. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so this one was quite cheap. Yeah, these ones I showed you last time, so watch my previous video. In black. Oh wow, but this color is so nice. Let me just show you. Hey, this color, look at that. I love this color, you guys. Yeah, this is so nice. This is so nice. So we have this different type that also came in, as you can see. I think so these bags are trending right now. Yeah, these bags, they are trending right now because this is what you've been getting, and most people are so interested in these bags. Yeah, hey, you know, this bag you can just go with it for a wedding. Yeah, when you're going for your beach vibes, you can go with it to church. Yeah, look at that, the quality. Yeah, so this one was coming in black. Yeah, you see we have a lot of blacks. These are many. We also had it, this is a black. Oh, we also had it in pink. So we had it in pink also. We have it in pink. Let me bring it closer for you to see. So that is the pink. Ah, it's so cute. It's so cute. Look at that. Yeah, so we had it in pink. And I think so we also had it in a different color. Let me see the other color when I spot it. Yeah. So these ones, we brought them last time. You people loved them. Yeah, so we have also brought them again. As I told you guys, these bags are trendy. Yeah, they're so trending. So many people love them. And as you can see, the quality really nice. Yeah, so we have a lot of this type too. As you can see, there are so many of them. Yeah, most people love them. Oh, the white, the first bag that I showed you. Let me show you in white. Okay, my goodness, guys, look at that. Ah, la 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 la. I will look at that. Hi, hey, here to visit ichafuke, cause my goodness, eh? Imagine gifting your mom this. She would be so happy. Yeah, we have it in that color. I remember there's also a black version of it. Let me see if I can spot it. I'd show you this one. Oh yeah, now there's these ones which have the black part up here. Yeah, the first one I showed you didn't have the black. You see? So the hands are in black. As you can see. Hi, these bags, you guys, yeah? These bags. And we're heading to the Christmas period. These ones, they're so cute. Yeah. So we have many of those. As you can see. Yeah. Did I show you this type? Yeah, I showed you this type. I love them. So this is the version of the backpack. Yeah, as you can see. Guys, make sure you join our pre-order group. Yeah, As you can see, all these are things which have been pre-ordered by people. Imagine I'm packing them, they go here. So make sure you join our pre-order group. I normally put the link in the bio, or even check the first comment that comes up. Yeah, that's where you'll find what is it called, the link to our group. Yeah, so if you're thinking of starting a business, this is a very good thing. You just come and join, because I normally post the prices in wholesale. Yeah, so come and join the WhatsApp group. I keep looking here instead of there. I pray hao watu wenye wamenunua hizi vitu waende wauze. Yeah, waende wauze. Yeah, so we had these ones. They're called the tote bags. So let me open one for you. These ones were quite cheap by the way. They were getting to us at 650. Yeah, when you walichukua kwa group zilikuwa zinawafikia na 650 bob. Imagine. Yeah? And it's really cute. So it looks like that. And then you can button it up here. This is also a very nice vacay bag. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so all these are in the same color. Yeah, and then I showed you the pink ones. We also had a different color. We had this color too. Yeah, these are also quite many, and they are heavy, these bags. Yeah, they are quite heavy. Yeah, they are here and then here. I must say the star of the show was this one. Yeah, I had shown you this one, the star of the show. Wow, I love it. That white, it's so nice. Yeah, this time I had shown you. Yeah guys, so all those are bags that we have brought from Tanzania, guys. If you want to join the pre-order group, make sure you join. The link is down below, guys. Yeah, so there I normally post the prices at wholesale. Yeah, so come and join so that you are able to start your business. Yeah, make sure you come and join the wholesale prices, guys. Yeah, and thank you so much, guys. I have seen you've been subscribing to this channel. I appreciate. Thank you to those of you who have been coming to the shop to come and talk to me over here. But guys, I don't do consultations at the shop. You might even come to the shop and not find me. So if you want to book a consultation, please just talk to me on WhatsApp and I'll be able to guide you on how we can be able to go about it. Yeah, and guys, thank you so much for the support. We are almost this close to 4,000 subscribers. I appreciate you so much, and thank you so much, guys, for the support. Until the next one, bye.